Welcome to this video on chemistry for class 11 CBSE. Today we will review some multiple choice questions covering chapter 2 structure of atom. First question, the charge of an electron is minus 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Cathode rays consist of answer C electrons. The deflection towards the positive plate indicates that the particles are answer C negatively charged. J.J. Thomson performed an experiment using a discharge tube and observed rays originating from the cathode. These rays produced fluorescence and were deflected towards the positive plate. The rays observed were C electrons. Assertion A says that the charge to mass ratio of electrons was determined by Millikan. Reason R says that Millikan performed the oil drop experiment. Answer is D. A is false, but R is true. A says Rutherford's experiment proved that atoms are mostly empty space. R says most alpha particles passed through the gold foil without deflection. Answer is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. A says, according to Thomson's model, electrons are embedded in a positively charged sphere. Reason R says the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Answer is both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. The nucleus of an atom was discovered by Rutherford. The number of protons in an atom is called atomic number. Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons, that is P plus N. Isotopes have same atomic number and different mass numbers. Isobars are atoms having same mass number. Which of the following is a pair of isotopes? Answer is B, Cl35 and Cl37. The speed of an electromagnetic radiation in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The relationship between frequency and wavelength is C is equal to nu lambda. A student observes that the violet line bends more than red light when passing through a prism. Violet light has shorter wavelength. An FM station broadcasts at a frequency of 100 MHz. The radiation belongs to answer B, radio waves. An iron rod changes from dull red to white and finally bluish white on heating. The color changes indicates that increase in frequency of emitted radiation. Assertion A says that photoelectric effect supports the particle nature of light. Reason R says that light consists of photons carrying discrete amounts of energy. Answer A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. Assertion A says increasing the intensity of light always increases the kinetic energy of photoelectrons. Photoelectric effect supports the particle nature of light. Reason R says kinetic energy of photoelectrons depends on the frequency of incident light. Answer is D, A is false, R is true. A says there is a threshold frequency of for every metal in the photoelectric effect. R says electrons require a minimum amount of energy to be ejected. Answer A, both A and R are true. R is the correct reason. Assertion says every element has a unique line spectrum. Reason is that each element has a unique electronic sector. Answer is A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct reason. The kinetic energy of photoelectrons depends on the frequency of incident light. The Balmer series lies in the visible region of light. The Lyman series is in the ultraviolet region of light. The radius of the first Bohr orbit is 52.9 picometer. Potassium metal is exposed to red light and then to yellow light. No electrons are emitted with red light because frequency is below threshold frequency. An electron falls from n equal to 3 to n equal to 2. The spectral line belongs to Balmer series. An electron is present in helium ion. He plus is called hydrogen-like ion because it contains only one electron. A hydrogen atom absorbs sufficient energy and its electron escapes from the nucleus. The principal quantum number of every electron is n equal to infinity. Assertion A says, according to Planck's theory, energy is emitted continuously. Reason is energy is emitted in discrete packets called quanta. Answer is D. Assertion A is false. Reason R is true. It is asserted that an emission spectrum consists of bright lines on a dark background. Reason is that excited atoms emit radiation of only specific wavelength. Answer is A. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. It is asserted that the radius of electron orbit increases with increase in principal quantum number. Reason is that higher energy levels are farther from the nucleus. Answer is A. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation. Assertion A says that the energy of an electron becomes zero when n equal to infinity. Reason is that at n equal to infinity, the electron is completely free from the nucleus. Answer is A. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation. Final question. Two photons have frequencies nu and 2 nu. The energy of the second photon is Answer C, double. Follow for more videos.